Good morning. Happy Monday. I am going to be posting a video like this every Monday between 8 and 8:30 to kind of show you what you're doing for the week and show you where it is on Google Classroom. So if I go to the Google Classroom that's not your class, don't worry, yours will look exactly the same. So if you click into your Google Classroom and then go to classwork, there will be topics that are labeled by weeks. So week 8 is June 8th, 2020 to June 12th, 2020. I will reorder these so that the most recent one, so the week that we're in, pops up to the top. But for this week, scroll down until you find week 1 and distance learning info and materials. The first thing I'm going to talk about is distance learning info and materials, and it has a document called Communication Expectations, Calendar Suggestions, and Idea List and Online Creation Tools. So this one is a document that goes over ways to get in touch with me and kind of how we should try and make that look for the rest of the school year. The Calendar Suggestions is a document with a working suggestions on a calendar laid out day by day with kind of a weekly goal. If you are someone who struggles with self-direction and time management, you don't have to do it this way, but if you need that extra help and support, this is on Google Classroom for you. The last thing that is in here is an idea list and examples and online creation tools for how you are going to be creating certain things for weeks 1, 3, 5, and 7. That will make sense when you read your directions later. They will post. Mine are just have not, Google Classroom hasn't scheduled them to post yet, so they'll be there. See, this one's there now. So for week 1, what you're going to do, there's a couple more things than normal since it's our first week, but you're going to open this up that says task 1, and then you're going to read the directions. So it says, hello, welcome to week 1 of distance learning. I'm so glad you're here. I really am. The first thing that you're going to do is open the document titled Distance Learning Letter, read it, and follow the prompts. This is the only time that this is going to be here. All the other weeks this letter will not be here, but it's kind of introducing you to what we're doing. So you're going to need to open the Distance Learning Letter and read that first. And then there are some things that you need to do in that. The next thing that you're going to do is open the document titled Task 1, Event 1, and read the directions. That is right here. The next thing that you are going to do is look at the calendar for working suggestions if you need it. Remember that the idea list document and online creation tool slideshow are posted in this topic right here, distance learning info and materials. I didn't want to repost them all the time. I wanted them to be in one concise place for you guys. These 2 other documents, resources and sources, will make sense when you read through your directions for task 1. To summarize it really quickly, what we're looking at from now until June is different events that impacted how human beings live. Because right now we're living through a global pandemic of COVID-19, which is impacting how we live. We're living through history, which is so cool and also terrifying, but very cool. So what we're going to do is look at other events that kind of have shaped how humans live and have changed history. So you have directions in here for what you're going to do. And then if you go back to classwork, resources is a document that has different suggestions of events, and then different resources, whether it's an article or a map or a video or something else like that, that will help you look at these events. There is something else that I've just realized will be helpful for you, so I will add that document to distance learning info and materials at some point later today and send you all an email when it's there. It is kind of more of an overview of what we're doing. So every Monday there will be a video like this that kind of goes through your week for what you're going to do. There's also a video coming up that the 9th grade team is going to post for general questions on your advisory page that talks about grading and what that looks like and participation and office hours, because I am sure a lot of you are wondering about that. All right, talk to you later.